How to edit post title on Reddit. So, if you want to know it, you've come to the right place. And first of all, you need to know that Reddit does not allow you to edit the title of a post directly. Instead, you will need to delete the post and create a new one, which with the directed title. So here are steps to do it. First of all, you need to go to Reddit, and here you need to post you want to edit. Click on trash button icon, and here you need to click on delete. You need to delete it. As you can see, my post was deleted, and now you need to create a new post. Write something what you want, for example, which country you prefer most of all, and choose the subreddit you want to post your post. I will choose geography subreddit. It's need to add a flare, so it's discussion. Click on post and just wait for people to answer. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.